So in this video, I will explain you what is set, why do we need, and what kind of problem it has solved. And there are some real world example we will see. So let's jump into the definition. So set is a collection of unique value. That means no duplicates allowed. For example, we can see in this below code we have one set with a duplicate element 10, and if we run it, so we can clearly see that 10, the duplicate element, extra element has been removed from this output, and only the remaining elements are 10, 20, and 30. That means duplicate is not allowed in the set. There are some more real world example, like suppose that we have like multiple student or employee data, and that you have also that there are many student name, roll number, email id are duplicates, and you want to only you want to remove all the duplicates item from that list. So we can convert those list into the set, and that set will remove the duplicate name, email, and roll numbers, and it will give you only the unique name, email, and roll number. So, for example, we have one list of email with some duplicate email ID. We can say select that a@gmail.com is two times. So, while converting that list into the set, we can we this set will remove this duplicate element, and it will return only the unique element. So, if I run it, we can see that there is no more duplicate Gmail ID available in this output. So there are more example we can see, like remove the duplicate element from the list. So for example, we have numbers like this, and you want to remove that we want to remove the duplicate number. So there are two ways whether we can use this list comprehension, where I am just counting the counting the number of iteration each item has. So if the count value of 10 is equal to 1, then only we will store that item, otherwise we will skip it. So this will that is one way to remove the duplicate item from the list. And the second way, we can directly convert this list into the set, and then convert the set into the list. It will return only the unique element. Let's see here. So we can see here it here what has done it. This script will do. This line is doing like it will removing all that duplicate element, and it is keeping only unique. So like 10, 20. These were the duplicate elements. So they has been removed now. So that is not expected behavior. Our goal was to only that remove that duplicate item that has occurred more than one time. So this is that actual result like here. Another way, like if you want to find out, like we have the two groups, a student link list, and you want to find out that those numbers or grade are common between these two groups. So we can prefer the set here. So how set will help, like let's see, we can see re is equal to set of list dot intersection of C. So this intersection will return only the grade which is common between these two lists. So let's run and let's see the result. Yeah. So we can see from the output like 40 and 30 are common in these two lists of grade. Second, the second example we have seen, like find out the total student in the class. So we have, like suppose we have here class A has some student list, B has I have. If you want Find out the unique total list of unique students. So we can prefer again here as a set. So let's see, R is equal to set of class A dot union of class B and union of class C. So if we print this result, so we can see that it had combined all three student list into the one final set, and it has removed all the duplicate student ID, and it has returned the unique student set. So this way we can. This is the second example, that real world example using set. There are more example that you can search and practice more about that. There are many questions that you can practice and understand the set in the detail. So that means now the final conclusion is that set is on order. That means no indexing is allowed, no fixed order, and indexing means, let's see whether we are able to access any item name using index value. So we can see that the set object is not subscriptable. So that means this indexing is not allowed in the set. Now, how to add the item in the set? So we have add. We can use this method called add, and to remove that we can use this method called remove. So this will add so by this way we can add and remove the item in the set. There are some powerful operation. I think I have already shown you here. One is the union. So we saw the example of combining all three student lists into the one list, and this example we have shown that find out the common grade between the students list. So this is the very powerful for the comparing data. So in the final conclusion, we can see that set is equal to unique value plus unordered and no indexing allowed. So that was the some real example and explanation of the set, and there are some interview level answer. So we can actually you can explain easily. Set is an unordered collection of unique element used to remove the duplicate and perform the mathematical operation like union and instruction. Thank you.